Hello everyone. It's Betty with TrueDoor Property Management. Today we are in Anaheim Hills in the community of Canyon Oaks. We're going to be taking a look inside of 230 North Rose Blossom Lane. This is a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath home with a den, an office, and you just have to see it. So let's come inside. So here we are. This is the formal entryway here. When you first step in, you have the coat closet here to the left. Half bath downstairs. Have a large office here with lots of built-ins. Here we have the formal dining room and living room. As you can see, the fireplace is here. It's double-sided, so it's on the other side as well in the little den space. Here we have the kitchen with a large island, quartz countertops, walk-in pantry. Stainless steel appliances, an extra sink, two ovens there for big parties, lots of cooking to do. Here's the other side of the fireplace. Got a large built-in entertainment center with a large TV. Since we're downstairs, we'll just step outside. All the bedrooms are upstairs, so we'll step up there in a little bit. This is the backyard. There's one sliding door that goes to the dining room there. And it wraps around. The door on the end would be the garage. Got the little cover here with the lights, barbecue. Great for entertaining. We'll peek into the 2-car garage while we're down here. You have the direct access 2-car garage. There's another fridge out here. Spacious. There's storage racks here. Good size. Now the 4 bedrooms and the 3 full bathrooms are upstairs, so we'll go upstairs and take a look. Upstairs also has a dedicated laundry room, which is convenient. So let's see here. So this home actually has 2 master bedrooms. This is the primary master suite. Step inside here, you see that it also has a sitting room and also the double-sided fireplace. There's built-ins in here as well. And the sitting room also has a TV. The ensuite bathroom is here. There's a water closet and separate shower. There's a large jacuzzi soaking tub there. Dual vanity with the separate area. Very nice large walk-in closet. Okay. This is one of the secondary bedrooms. Home has been freshly painted. Central AC and heat. This one has a nice large walk-in closet as well. And this organizer is included. Now this is the second full bath. Got a tub and shower combo with dual vanities as well. Storage here in the hallway, as you can see. And here is the laundry room. You have another built-in desk here. This is the third bedroom. Again with a nice large walk-in closet. And finally, we'll step over to the secondary master. This one has a nice large closet with mirrored closet doors and another full bathroom. This one has a shower. Now the community here does have several little grassy knolls for family play, walking the dogs, all that fun stuff. And this is move-in ready. So if you are interested, please do go to our website, www.TrueDoorPM.com. There you can see 3D virtual tour, pictures up close, and you can find our application as well. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. Thanks so much. Hope you like it. Have a great day.